In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset AutoCAD when menus and toolbars are missing. If your workspace looks bare or tools have disappeared, don't worry, this walkthrough will get your interface back to normal quickly and safely, starting with simple fixes and moving to a full reset only if needed. First, let's bring back the ribbon. Click into the command line, type ribbon, and press enter. The ribbon is the strip of tabs and panels across the top of AutoCAD that holds most of your essential tools. If it's been closed or hidden, this command reopens it immediately. Next, restore the classic menu bar if you rely on those drop-down menus. Type menu bar, press enter, and set the value to 1. That switches the menu bar back on so you can access File, Edit, View, and other menus across the top of the screen. If you can't see the command line itself, it might just be toggled off. Press Ctrl+9 to show or hide it. The command line is vital for typing commands, seeing prompts, and getting feedback from AutoCAD. So make sure it's visible before moving on. If things still look off, try switching workspaces to refresh the layout. Look for the gear icon in the lower right corner of the AutoCAD window. Click it. Change to a different workspace. Then switch back to your preferred one. This quick toggle often reloads missing panels and restores the default arrangement for that workspace. If you want to fully reset AutoCAD's interface to factory defaults, use the built-in reset from within the app. Type Options in the command line and press Enter. In the Options dialog, go to the Profiles tab. There, click Reset to restore default settings. This action returns interface profiles and layout settings to their original state. Save any open drawings before you do this, because AutoCAD may need to restart to apply the reset. Here is also a system-level way to reset. From the Windows Start menu, navigate to Start, Programs, Autodesk, AutoCAD version, and choose Reset Settings to default. This performs a comprehensive reset similar to the in-app method. Use it when the interface is heavily customized or corrupted, and you want a clean slate. With these steps, you'll have your AutoCAD environment back to a clean, functional state. Thanks for watching.